The scooter market in 2025 is off to a thrilling start, especially in the 125cc segment, which continues to be a favorite among urban commuters and young riders. With rising fuel prices and increasing environmental awareness, manufacturers have focused on producing more efficient, feature-packed, and stylish scooters. This year, several new 125cc models have hit the scene, offering not just performance but also modern design and smart connectivity options. Here's a look at the most notable launches in the 125cc scooter category for 2025. One of the most talked about releases is the Honda Activa 125 Hybrid. Honda has finally introduced hybrid technology into its best-selling model, blending petrol power with mild electric assist. This scooter promises enhanced fuel efficiency and smoother city rides, thanks to the integration of a small battery and start-stop functionality. The Activa 125 Hybrid also features a fully digital instrument cluster with Bluetooth connectivity, turn-by-turn navigation, and call SMS alerts, making it a practical choice for tech-savvy users. Next up is the TV's NTORQ 125 Race XP 2025 edition, a performance-focused scooter that targets the younger crowd. The new edition comes with a dual riding mode, street and race, allowing riders to choose between fuel efficiency and power on the go. The engine has been slightly retuned for better throttle response, and TV's has improved its Smart Connect system, now compatible with over-the-air updates. The NTORQ's sporty styling, alloy wheels, and aggressive graphics make it stand out on urban roads. Suzuki also stepped up with the Access 125 Plus, a refined version of its popular commuter. This scooter is built with comfort in mind, offering a wider seat, improved suspension, and a quieter engine. It's aimed at family users and daily riders who prioritize reliability. The Plus variant includes a semi-digital display, USB charging port, and eco-assist lighting to guide efficient riding. Although it lacks flashy features, its strong build and refined performance make it a solid all-rounder. Yamaha, known for its sleek designs, launched the Fascino 125 Phi Neo, a stylish update with futuristic elements. It retains the retro-modern design but adds sharper body lines and bold color options. This version also benefits from Yamaha's Blue Core hybrid engine technology, offering a balance between power and mileage. Yamaha claims an impressive 68 kmpl under standard test conditions. The Fascino also comes with an LED headlight, DRLs, and an intuitive digital meter console with smartphone sync. Meanwhile, MotoCorp introduced the Maestro Edge 125 XTEC Plus, stepping up the game in the budget smart segment. This scooter comes loaded with tech features like a fully digital display, Bluetooth-based navigation, side-stand engine cutoff, and even a theft alert system. Hero also worked on improving refinement levels, and the scooter feels smoother and more responsive compared to older models. Its aggressive pricing is aimed at young professionals and college students looking for value without compromising on modern features. Electric influence is also subtly making its way into the 125cc space. Though technically still combustion engine scooters, several models like the Activa Hybrid and Yamaha Fascino Neo show how the line between electric and petrol is beginning to blur. Mild hybrid tech is becoming a transitional tool, bridging traditional engines with future electrification. Overall, the 2025 lineup of new 125cc scooters reflects a clear trend: smarter features, improved fuel efficiency, and a sharper focus on user experience. Whether you're a performance enthusiast, a daily commuter, or someone looking for tech-rich convenience, this year's models offer something for everyone. With increasing competition and evolving user expectations, 2025 is shaping up to be a landmark year for the humble 125cc scooter.